Hey YouTube, it's Des, and today I'm going to be doing a video on a wash and go using this Eco Styling cocktail. I have tried this like a time or two when I just had like a ponytail. I just threw some product in it and I really like how it kept my curls popping. And it actually lasts a few days, so I wanted to try this on a wash and go. And this is the Super Fruit Curl Complex, and it smells like heaven. Like, it smells like a lot of like fruit just mixed into one. I can't really put my finger on just like one fruit, but it smells really fruity and I really like the smell of it. So yeah, so I'm gonna be using this, some water, and this. And then for the first time on camera, I've actually done this once before, I'm going to be actually using a diffuser. And you guys see how big my hair is already, and I just detangled it and washed it and deep conditioned it and all of that. So just imagine how big it's gonna be after I diffuse it, but I don't like going to bed with wet hair. And it is nighttime, it's about 11 o'clock at night. Why I decided to get in the shower this late, don't ask. So let's just get right into the video. So first you wanna take your water, and first let me go ahead and section it. I usually section my hair into 3 sections. And I just kind of use my finger to kind of like eye it. So I'm just gonna clip up this part like so. So yeah. And then you just wanna take the water and spray. It is already, oh, I actually closed it up. It is already wet still, so I probably won't need that much, especially not like in the back areas right now. But yeah. So then you just want to take the cocktail just a little bit and you just want to put it throughout. And I did add a little bit of oil to my hair. Not much, just literally like a little bit. And I just want to see really how this product works by itself. I've been doing that a lot recently. Like, instead of doing like the lock method and all of that, I've been kind of like just using a product like I did mousse, and it turned out amazing. And I will be doing that tutorial soon, but I just want to try this Eco Styler. So let me just go ahead and show you guys how I do it, and then we'll come back. Okay guys, so my battery went dead, so I just had to recharge my phone. But I finished putting all the product in my hair, and this is what it looks like. And it's looking good. It's not as firm as I thought it would be, like my mousse usually is, because my mousse has a little crunch, so I'm not sure how this is going to dry. But I'm going to go ahead and diffuse it. So I'm going to do it on low and warm. And I'll come back with the final results. guys, so as you can see, this is the final results. It is about 75% dry. I'm just going to let the rest dry overnight because I am tired. And I think it came out amazing. I will insert a photo once I get dressed for the day tomorrow. So yeah, and it feels like really soft. It's not what I'm like particularly usually go for. I usually go for like a little crunch. So I'm just going to see how long it lasts. But like I said, the product actually turned out really well. And just remember, guys, if you're looking for a little volume, I would say use this because it actually gave me layers that I didn't even know I had. So that was really, really good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, YouTube. Bye.